Right, it is time. So I have put the camera in my hand so that I can come into this painting from the side to show you up close what the gold leaf looks like before I brush the excess away. So I've got my soft brush handy, and our very dramatic moment has arrived, and I just use a soft brush now to brush the excess gold leaf away. And I've did put down just a plastic covering on the floor to just help protect my floor from all the extra gold leafing that is not sticking. That will now be brushed away. It does help to give the gold leafing a good time to dry, the glue, the sizing, so that when you do come in and brush away the excess gold, that you don't remove it from your painting. It's raining gold! I'm gonna have a gold floor after this. So I'm just using the tip of the bristles to just lift away any foil that has not got any glue underneath. So that gives you a very good idea of what will happen when you do the gold leafing. And now you can see that the patterns is contributing towards the overall design. So this was a good idea, and you can see where I've placed the glue, how that is helping to define some of these spaces. So I'm just going to spend a bit more time cleaning this up, and then I'll be right back. Right, now that our gold leaf is adhered and we've brushed away all the excess gold from the surface and it's all completely dry, the last and final step that we will take with our Buddha painting is to give it a varnish. Now this is quite a topic of contrast. Some artists believe that you must varnish every piece of work when you're done in order to just bring everything together and to seal it and to help make it last longer, while other acrylic artists believe that it is absolutely not necessary because acrylic paint is designed, it's plastic on its own. But when you have done a multimedia project like this, where you've got pieces of decoupage paper, you've got gold leaf and so forth on your canvas, I do believe it will help prolong the life of your artwork if you do use a bit of a glaze or a varnish over everything, especially to protect the gold leaf as it is. So then later when this is hanging, if it ever gets full of dust, you can just wipe it off with a damp cloth and it will be perfect. So I'm using my Montmartre acrylic medium matte. I do like a matte formulation because it's a high gloss can be so shiny that you don't see the detail because it's too reflective. So I prefer a matte finish, but it's your choice. You can see which one works best for you. So I'm not going to bore you in showing you how I paint this entire thing with the see-through glaze. I do want you to note, however, you know, what this looks like now, and then I will show you again what it looks like after I've applied 2 to 3 coats of this glazing medium, which is great because I can use it both as a varnish or a glazing liquid like you've seen earlier in the videos. So this will just give me an acrylic medium coating over the entire painting, sealing it all in so that we can preserve it for the future and enjoy it for many days to come. So I'm going to glaze this now, and I'll see you in our next episode when we wrap things up. And so we've come to the end of the creation of this beautiful Buddha painting. This particular workshop has chapters. It is my intention to create chapters in it and to continue to add to this beautiful workshop as I continue to create beautiful Buddha paintings. So it's definitely a workshop that will add to the whole experience and richness of it as I continue with my artistic journey forward. So I really hope that you are inspired and that you too will create beautiful Buddha paintings, as I've showed you how easy it can be to just explore and have fun through beautiful brush making and brush mark making rather. You can create beautiful textures and backgrounds and begin to define the beautiful Buddha face. So I'm looking forward to seeing your work and what you've created at the canvas. So please do join me on my social media group called The Creative Heart and share some images of your progress and of your final outcome with me on my social media so that I can also participate and have fun with you and enjoy what you have also created. So thank you so much for journeying along with me. I will share an image of the completed painting after this video with you as well. And also join me on my Instagram. You can find me on my handle at Gideon's Light, and on Facebook I'm also known as Gideon's Light Hair Art and Soul. I'll see you guys at the canvas real soon.